Have you ever in your CRM, when you were building a new module or updating a module, want to add some more fields to it, and you decide to use a pick list, but you want to have it in multiple modules and it basically be the same list? And instead of having to type in individually each list or copy and paste, did you know there's a simpler way to do it by using global sets? In this video, we're going to take a look at how easy it is to set up a global set and how they are used. So we're going to start, and I have two different modules that I want this field to be in. One I'm calling Associated Zoho App, and the other Zoho Apps Included. And so you go over to Global Sets, which is under your Setup. So you would start here, go to Setup, under Customization, Modules and Fields. Over here to the right, you would click Global Sets. Now, I've already created one for show to make it easier for this video, but we'll just go ahead and look at this. And you give it a name, and then you set all the values you want in it. The cool thing is that if I need to add more, instead of having to go into both layouts of the modules needed in, I just come here and I can add whatever new values that I need, and I can choose if I want them in the way they were entered or alphabetical. And then once it's saved, then when you come in here and I say I had grabbed the pick list and brought it over, then the properties of this, I'm going to give it that field name. And then instead of normally we would do local, which is the standard and the default, we're going to click global set, and then that would pop up and give us the options. And since we have, as you can see, we have three different ones here, and you could have a lot more. Just make sure you're picking the right one, and then boom, it will automatically fill in those options. And so very easy to do. It's such a time saver, especially when you have multiple modules that are using that same information. Instead of having to go into each one every time you want to change something, you just go to one location, you would edit it, you would make your changes, either adding or removing, or maybe you misspelled one of the times. It's easy then, instead of having to go back into the multiple modules, you just come here. And such a great tool, great, easy to set up, easy to use, and will save you lots of time down the road. If you like this video, check out our others at our YouTube page, or if you would like to schedule a consult, get a hold of us at our website, zcrmhelp.com. Thank you and have a great day.
If you found this video helpful, be sure to like it and leave us a comment. You can also subscribe to our channel and click the bell next to the subscribe button to be notified of new videos. If you want to learn more about Zoho or would like help with anything Zoho related, head on over to our website at zcrmhelp.com to connect with us. Thanks for watching.